When strolling through the bustling streets of any city, many of us rarely ponder the legal standards that keep justice balanced. Two such principles, often tossed about in legal settings, are probable cause and reasonable suspicion. These terms sound similar, yet they possess distinct meanings and implications. Today, let's delve into the nuances that set them apart and understand their vital role within the justice system. Our journey begins with reasonable suspicion. This legal standard is the heartbeat of proactive policing. It empowers law enforcement officers to act upon a hunch, one that's grounded in specific and articulable facts. Unlike probable cause, which demands a higher threshold of evidence, reasonable suspicion allows officers to briefly detain and investigate individuals based on intuition, backed by credible reasoning. Picture this. An officer spots a person pacing nervously in front of a closed jewelry store late at night. Though they lack solid evidence of a crime, their experience and the circumstances compel them to investigate further. This is reasonable suspicion at play. Probable cause, however, stands on firmer ground. It's the backbone of legal proceedings and demands more substantial proof. Rooted in the Fourth Amendment of the United States Constitution, probable cause requires facts and evidence strong enough to justify an arrest or the issuance of a search warrant. It's a protective shield, ensuring citizens aren't subjected to unwarranted governmental intrusion. Imagine a scenario where police find stolen goods matching a detailed description in plain view inside a suspect's car. They now possess probable cause for a deeper search. As we draw parallels, the distinction becomes clearer. Reasonable suspicion can be likened to a lively spark, igniting an officer's instincts, urging them to investigate. In contrast, probable cause is a roaring fire, burning with evident justification, enough to propel legal action. Both concepts serve as critical guards, ensuring a delicate balance between the need for security and the preservation of individual freedoms. In a society where justice must balance on a razor's edge, the difference between probable cause and reasonable suspicion is profound. It shapes the boundaries within which our protectors operate, steering them towards judicious decision-making. As citizens, understanding these terms not only equips us with knowledge, but also reinforces our trust in the delicate machinery of law and order. Ultimately, this symbiotic interplay between authority and accountability is where justice finds its true melodious harmony.